This video was sponsored by Enhance, Elbilmek, ABRP Planner, Kempower and Bilkomponenter. Yo, what's up? This car is called GAC Aion ES. It is a sedan, it's from China, and I want to know, how much space do we have here? We're going to do the banana box test. It's similar to a Model 3. Can it match the Model 3's 19 banana boxes? Let's find out. Let's start in the front. How is it here? Model 3 could take one box in the front. Oh, this is heavy. Oh, you don't have to go to the gym, you have this car. Oh, it's heavy Chinese steel. But here we just have the drive chain and all the electronics. Yeah, so no frunk here. And even if we could fit an aftermarket frunk, wouldn't have that much space. But yeah, it's a beautiful car from the back. Huh? I like the shape of it. But the weird thing is that, okay, there's no kick sensor, obviously. But there is no button for opening the trunk from the back here. So you can either go in the front and open it there, or you can use the key fob, press and hold. There. And this has the sedan opening. But wow, the trunk here is quite deep. Goes far in there. Well, there's some metal and stuff here, and some mechanics for the trunk opening. Okay, but let me see. Do we have anything here? Okay. This is the emergency release for the charge port. No 12-volt outlet, no cargo securing hook, but that's probably not needed. And then under here, we should have more space. Huh? What the heck is this thing? I've never seen it before in other cars. It's like a fifth wheel. Huh? Why do you need it? But it takes up space. Okay, we're not gonna remove it, we're gonna keep it there. Okay, round one in the trunk. Model 3 could take 6 boxes. Here we could take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The same, except for that there's no front, but okay, that's good. Interesting. I was removing the headrest and I noticed that there is no middle headrest. Maybe they don't have safety in China. Well, this is also weird. The middle seat belt cannot detach or move out of the way. So it has to be like this. What? Huh? Maybe they never fold the seats in China. Wow, I put a lot of banana boxes in here, and I had to actually bring more banana boxes from the stack over there. So one impressive feature is that you can lay down one box flat there. That means good leg room. And seems to also have good headroom. You see on this side, for the stack, it is troublesome or challenging when you try to stack boxes here, since there's no big trunk openings. You have to squeeze in everything in here, but seems like I managed to do a pretty good job. You see here, we utilize the space. There's still some gaps, but still very good. Okay, and as usual, since we are in Thailand, we have to count in Thai. Hey, come on. Try again. Oh shit, what is this shite? Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17,
19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Wow, 23 boxes. How is it possible? It beat Tesla by far, huh? Tesla, go home. This car is a lot more spacious than Model 3, but it still has an impractical opening there. I'm just blown away, yeah. Now, let's bring this car to Europe then. Okay, I think that's gonna be it for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching and talk to you later.